Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Thursday market webcast. Sorry there was no evening webcast last night. That Ida thing blew through here. We lost power. It's all good here now, but wasn't really conducive to producing content last night. So, but we're all good today. Considering some of the pictures I saw out there, we got pretty lucky here. All right, let's talk about the market. So, daily chart. And, it's flattened out a little bit. They didn't keep the band ride going, but the hourly really tells a story. We're trading in kind of a wide range between, call it 40 and, the mid teens. So they had a bunch of looks. They looked pretty good when they brought it down into 16 last night. On my stuff, they really only needed to do a few more handles to open up a move to weekly pivot. But of course, the bears couldn't get that done. So, it hung out. It tested down there again. It did 1675 versus 16, around 11 o'clock, and then they just went ahead and walked it right up. Europe didn't do anything about it. They just kept going. And now for the last few hours, we've been basing right around the 28, 29, 30 area, which will be important off the open. So you've got VWAP today locked up right now at this moment. It's about 7:50 Eastern as I'm doing this. VWAP and the hourly mid-band are locked up at 25. Then you've got proprietary moving average up at 30. Daily pivots 27.33 today. I'll be interested to see, call it 25 to 30, what that area wants to be. So patience today, opportunistic today. Yesterday was a solid little tape. I mean, there were a couple of decent trades there. We got into a nice one into the close. There was a nice one off the open. In between, we had a couple of no trade zones and some things that had to work themselves out. The bottom line from yesterday was the bulls really had all day to deal with these upper areas, but they could never get back to where they were pre-market, 39.40. And they did a lower high. And they actually did a lower low relative to the prior day low here in Globex. But they could not take out the weekly low down at 12.5. No, I'm sorry. Yeah, from Tuesday. I'm losing track of my days here. The weekly low is right at the roundy 4,575, which they confirmed Sunday night into Monday. So again, it's a wide range. 40 to 20, 40 to 16, whatever you want to call it. I'll be interested to see this morning if they take it back to the top of the range, and if they do, what happens. You've got today, and then you got tomorrow. Tomorrow morning is jobs at 8:30. I'm curious to see how interested this tape is in doing anything after jobs, because then we're into Labor Day weekend. So we'll see. We'll take it one day at a time. But for now, range trade. The tape's given enough opportunities to get you your handles every day. Don't overtrade it. Make your handles. Move on to the next day, one brick at a time, and we'll go from there. All right, everybody have a fantastic day. Be safe. Be healthy. Take care. Come check out the Facebook group. Come join the chat room. Trade them well. And I will be out with a midday update today. Be good.